So I'm going to do the quick explanation on the installation for the Amazon LED sequential relay kit. Let's start with the variable speed relay. You can see the knob there. Slows it way down where it needs to be. Running to the back here. This setup is made to be ran without the resistors. Now, if you know a lot about automotive, you'll know that the resistors create a lot of heat and current draw, which will pretty much just defeat the purpose of purchasing LEDs if you're trying to reduce current draw and heat, which is partially why I did this. The other reason was for clarity when stopping, because people don't know how to pay attention, and rather than doing a flashing third brake lamp, I decided to do more of the classic Thunderbird style sequential tail lamp and give it a modern touch of allowing it to support LEDs without doing the resistors. So once you've installed the variable speed relay for the flashers, you come back here and you get your delay relays from Amazon in a 5-pack for $12. You install them using the wiring diagram in the post, and here you'll see it's very complicated looking at first, but there's indication lamps to show that there's power going into the board and that the board has now sent power out. You'll want to start with modifying your tail lamps so that the inner bulb receives a 3157 bulb instead of the factory marker lamp bulb, or whichever that they decide to throw in there. That's not the right socket. You can see there's the bulb there. So you'll start with running the inner bulb power straight from the flasher relay, and then running that same power off into one of your delay relays. That delay relay will then come on, and here's your power and ground input on this side. It will then come on and send power with delay, which is adjustable with this little screw, out of your output and onto what will be your second bulb, as well as input power to your second delay relay over here on this side. So basically, bulb 1 gets power, sends it to relay, relay delays it, sends it to bulb 2, as well as circuit board 2. Circuit board 2 then takes the power, turns it into a signal output with delay over to bulb number 3. So all in all, you have input going here and here, delay, input coming out into bulb 2 and into circuit board 2, delay, circuit 2 sends power out to bulb number 3, giving you the delay illusion. Now if you'd like to speed up any part of this sequence, all of these are adjustable. Both this unit is adjustable, so you can make your speed dependent on all your flashes, and up here, as you've seen in the beginning, is also adjustable. And you can see the other side, consistent, very nice, very bright, vibrant, easy to notice in case you're distracted, so that way your precious Thunderbird doesn't get rear-ended like mine has almost been a multitude of times. And here's the action with the factory hazard flasher. It goes just slightly too fast for the third lamps to illuminate fully, but that's okay. I'm pretty sure that that would be enough to get your attention at night. So anyways, just watch the video, watch videos on YouTube of how to understand and read wiring diagrams before attempting to do this, because it is always best to understand what you're looking at and dealing with before getting involved with wiring systems and circuitry that you depend on for safety and visibility. But once you follow those videos, follow this video, and watch the wiring diagram, you should be able to source out a pretty good, cheap installation for delayed relay / sequential LED lighting for your 87 and 88 T-Bird, or alternatively 1994 through 2000 for Ford Mustangs, because they have also got the same kit, or the same wiring setup, same socket setup, all that good stuff.